Hello, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be working on the Vauxhall Corsa. The boot lid is starting to drop, so we've got some new gas struts to put on the boot lid, so it should be fairly straightforward. So it's actually working fine this morning because I've ran the struts a few times, but we're going to replace them anyway. So I've got a couple of new gas struts. We'll find out how difficult it is to unclip them. So looking at it, there's this metal clip that goes over, so I assume no idea how this comes off, obviously. It's probably going to ping off any second. Nope. Okay, so it should slide up. Remember that when we put it back on. And normally, yep, they just pull straight out like that now, which is what we want. Right, let's get something to hold the boot up, and then we'll take it off. It's not on the clip though. There's the old one out. Now let's compare it to the new one and see if the new one looks the same. And it looks about the same. Looks like they've got the same fittings, which is important. So let's have a look at this. And you can see the new one's got the clips included, which is quite useful. So just have to undo the clip off it. I'm not convinced this is the best way of taking the clips off. Oh, actually that's more like what you're supposed to do. Push that on, push the clip back into place, and that's got it. So you don't actually, oops, that's clever, you don't actually need to take the clip off completely. This is going well. There we go, that's one side done. Okay. This repair, unlike most of mine, is pretty much in real time, so it doesn't take long to fix. And this is the same for bonnets with gas assist as well. So if the bonnet's falling down as well, it's the same technique. Let's put the bottom one on first. Turn it off. There goes that again. There we go, and that's pretty much it. So let's give it a go and see if that works really well. And that's about it. Nice quick video fixing the boot struts on the Vauxhall Corsa. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if it's been of use to you. I'll also put a link to the gas struts that I ordered as well, just in case you need it for your Corsa as well. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.